All right, what are we doing today? We are what? What are we doing, Cat?
Learning how to shoot.
Okay, we're learning how to shoot. And so we're gonna practice first with the Gat's toy AR here, as you can see, and we have it in the gun rest here. And so Gat is getting ready to shoot. Whenever you're on the target, go ahead and shoot. Okay. Good job. Okay. All right, Wadey, it's your turn. So come over here. Okay, wait a second. Okay, Wadey's turn. Good job, Wadey. Okay, I think you guys are ready to go. We practiced, and now we're gonna shoot with the real gun, the BB gun. That is. Okay, we're gonna try with the BB gun now, right, Gat? Okay, so we're gonna.
We got a bunch of snowballs in our cave.
We do have a bunch of snowballs in our snow cave here, so we're gonna show you what we're gonna shoot at.
Yeah.
All right, so here's our nice snow backstop here.
Here's the deer, and there's other faces for you to shoot.
Happy and a sad face, and some red balloons, huh?
And the walk.
And a black circle.
And I'm gonna shoot the deer, so yeah. That's what we're doing today. Bye-bye.
Okay, try again. All right, the first shot, Gat. Where do you see a hole on that?
Here.
Okay, where is another hole? A little tiny hole.
There.
Look by the happy face.
There.
Yeah, that's where you shot.
Correct.
So we were a little bit high, so we're gonna have to try again. That was a good shot. All right, round 2 here. Okay, where do you think you shot, Gat?
I have no idea. I don't see a hole.
Okay, where do you see a hole by this? Look by the happy face again.
There.
Yep, that's where he shot.
So.
A little bit high still, but that's okay.
Yes.
All right, let's try the Coke now.
Yeah, try the Coke.
All right, we're gonna try a Coke now. See if Gat can hit a Coke. He's shaking it up. Okay, I think it's gonna be good.
Okay.
There you go. Aim.
Did you get that?
I don't know, you tell me.
Yes, Dada.
Okay, go ahead. Wait. There you go.
Did you get it, buddy? Okay, go check.
Do you look like you shot it?
Smells like cupcakes.
Cupcake smells like
Okay, Gat. Pick up your can down there. Be careful with it because it might be a little pointy. Whoa.
You shot it, buddy?
Smells like cupcakes. It does smell kind of weird.
Good job.
Smells like lemon water.
Show your can to the camera.
Very nice.